Okay, here are the different chemicals with the names listed and they're in order in the lab. First I'll do blue litmus paper, dip it in and set it aside.
That would be disgusting.
And anytime the litmus paper changes from blue to red, it must be an acid.
Don't we smell that? It doesn't even smell good. Lemon juice? Yeah, it doesn't smell like actual lemon.
Oops.
Yeah, disgusting. Oh, there's a bag.
Okay. So there's all the blue litmus paper.
What should be, like, for me, it says list all the substances that are acid. Should we put the ones that we found to be acid? Like, soapy water
Yep.
came up as an acid for us, but, like, it should be alkaline, right?
Well, is it acid based upon like all the paper and the, what do you call it?
I mean, like the two litmus papers, like, didn't change color, so we did, like, neutral, but then the universal indicator had it at yellow, so we put it at, like, 6.5.
Yeah, so it's, well, yellow's pretty close to neutral. It's pretty close to neutral. So like, there's an awful lot of water, not much soap, and some soap is actually, you know, designed to be neutral pH.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so there's with the red litmus paper, and then the universal indicator, I'll drop the universal indicator, like a few drops in each, and you can see if there's any kind of color change, or what the color change happens to be. So there we go. There's the lemon juice. Now the lemon juice itself is a little bit yellow on its own, so think about what color the indicator might have changed to if it mixes with yellow. There's the soapy water, ammonia, soda, 10 bottled water, hydrogen peroxide, tap water, Kool-Aid, and salt water.
A juice? Where?
And then here's a guide to tell you what the different colors from universal indicator indicate. Let me slide this up a little bit. So red's pH of 2, red orange pH of 3, orange pH of 4, yellow orange 5, yellow 6, green 7, blue green's 8, blue gray 9, and violet 10. Those should all be fairly visible. So if there's things that are out of accordance with each other, then the universal indicator is a better guide than the pH paper. But sometimes it's clear, like here, wherever it's dipped, it's clearly red for both. Other ones here, it's clearly blue for both. This one's a little bit tricky because it's kind of pinkish, but it's got a little bit of a blue tint and it stayed blue. So sometimes the litmus paper isn't the best test overall.